working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day of duty.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Jeanette LaKentra. So today I made a wet burrito in honor of Taco Tuesday. So if you want to see how I make that, stay tuned. So, oh my goodness, y'all, like literally, I meant to show you guys a list of what it was that I used to make this dish today. And I don't know what happened to that clip, but I do have everything listed in the description box below. So here, I'm just getting my enchilada sauce prepared. So all you want to do is just put beef broth, tomato paste, New Mexico chili powder, and the rest of the seasonings I will have listed below in the description box. You just want to mix all of that together and just let that set to the side while you continue working on your meat. So here we're just basically putting together a roux for the enchilada sauce. Now you want to whisk in your flour a little bit at a time. You just don't want to dump it all in there at once because you don't want to have too many clumps. And then the consistency of your enchilada sauce is going to depend on how much liquid you use. So if it's too thick, go back and add more liquid. So now we're going to put together our burritos. So in your pan, you want to put down a little bit of that enchilada sauce, and then you want to start building your burritos. So you want to put down some, if you like refried beans, you don't have to, but I added refried beans. I went back and added the beef mixture that we made. I also added in some Spanish rice that I had cooked earlier that day, and then I topped that off with cheese, and I folded it and placed it inside the pan. And then you want to repeat until you are done with however many burritos you're wanting to put together. I used 4 today. And now you want to get it topped off with cheese and the rest of that enchilada sauce. You're going to put it in a preheated oven about 375 degrees, and you're going to let that bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it comes out, you're going to top it with your favorite toppings. I use sour cream and a homemade pico de gallo that I also made earlier today as well. And you want to serve this, and it's such a beautiful dish, and I hope you guys decide to make it. And if you do, come back and let me know in the comments what you think. Remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to be you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.